Hello friends, today's topic, these stocks may go up, watch out carefully. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Current level of Nifty 22,147, Nifty 30 DMA 22,279. Currently Nifty is in wait to buy zone after a fantastic rally for short term between November 2023 and January 2024. The last three rallies have not been very profitable since markets have been moving in a narrow range. Although overall markets would continue to be volatile, there is sufficient profits which can be made in short term whenever there is a rally. We need to be alert and waiting for the opportunity. Please note, this video may be more helpful for Dr. Bharath Chandra workshop graduates since they will be more aware of the technical analysis indications for short term. 2. The information in this video is not related to long-term investment. 3. Also, the following observations are valid as of 20 April and further indications will change based on the market movement. 4. The stocks are in wait to buy zone. This means they may enter buy zone for short term if the stock prices goes up further. Refer to technical analysis graph. Now stocks in wait to buy zone. Adani Ports, Apollo Hospitals, SBI, Adani Energy Solutions, Havells India, HPCL, ICICI Bank, Tata Consumer Products. Stocks don't buy zone. Adani Enterprise, Asian Paints, Axis Bank, HCL Tech, Hero Motocar, HUL, Infosys, L&T, Nestle, Tata Motors, Titan, TCS, Wipro, Ultratech Cement, Britannia. Stocks in wait to sell zone. ABB, Ambuja Cement, ICICI Lombard, SRF. Stocks to analyze for short-term investment. Bajaj Finserv, ITC, Reliance Industries, Cholamandalam Investment, LIC. Study the graph of these stocks and decide whether they can be bought for short term. Apart from these indications, most of the other stocks are either showing hold or too late to buy or sell indications for short term. End of the video, here is the question. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ICICI, which was the promoter of ICICI Bank, was started as a joint venture by the Indian government along with Dash. There are four choices: IMF, United Nations, World Bank, Reserve Bank of India. Type the correct answer in the chat box. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.